Hi everyone, my name is Rashmita Mudalli, studying in YG Kulgude College of Education, Athani. Today, in this video or in this PPT, we discuss about World Environment Day. First of all, I wish Happy World Environment Day to all. Firstly, I would like to start with a beautiful slogan, that is, Earth is our mother. In spite of our desire to harm our mother, she will always love us forever. The World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th, and this celebration begins in 1972 by United Nations because to encourage the positive action for the environment, and this World Environment Day is celebrated in global throughout event across 100 over countries. It is celebrated not only in our countries, it is celebrated throughout the world because to aware about the nature. Every year, United Nations celebrate the Environment Day with a specific theme. Like that, this year also a specific theme is hosted by United Nations. The theme of this year is ecosystem restoration and focuses on reimagine, recreate and restore. And this is hosted by Pakistan. Every year, one perfect country should host the specific theme. Like that only this year hosted by Pakistanis. That is ecosystem restoration. The Environment Day is celebrated throughout the world because to spread the awareness about the importance of nature and focus on the importance of natural environment in our lives. And also this is the time of COVID-19 pandemic. And this disease shows us the importance of nature because nowadays we saw the more number of lagging of oxygen, and for that many more number of people are aware about the nature and more number of people came forward to plant the trees. This is the aim of World Environment Day. This awareness should come in every people's mind, and the World Environment Day have a specific dream also, that is to save the environment and to save our natural resources. Natural resources are like light, energy, food, water and etc. And a great example is that to cut down on the amount of food waste we create. This is the best example to save our natural resources. See, the World Environment Day have the aim, dream and theme so that we should solve the environment problems. The World Environment Day has their own anthem, and the first Earth Anthem was launched on June 13 on the occasion of the World Environment Day by Kapil Sibal and Shashi Tharoor. It is in 8 languages, including all official languages of United Nations are like Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, Spanish, and other 2 languages are Hindi and Nepali. See, this Earth Anthem, the World Environment Day Earth Anthem was available in Hindi languages also. See, we say we should celebrate the Environment Day. Yes, why should we celebrate the Environment Day? Is because it is a United Nations event that rallies people and organizations across the world to take a part in raising awareness for our planet and our environment and encourage the positive action around selected themes like ecosystem restoration. This year theme was that. And finally, to create the awareness about environment is a duty of everyone people who are all using this planet for their needs and generate an positive energy or positive impact on the planet. Yes friends, be friendly with nature because nature is one of the best friend to every people. Save our earth, save our lives. Thank you.